Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Patrick, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. The In-Play Thunder casing is a good choice for gamers seeking an affordable yet functional gaming case. It offers adequate airflow with multiple fan maps, ensuring optimal cooling for high-performance gaming centers. The modern design, featuring RGB lighting and a clear side panel, enhances the visual appeal, while the spacious interior allows for easy installation of large GPUs, storage drives, and cooling solutions. Performing a full cleaning on a desktop PC is an excellent move to maintain optimal performance and extend the system's lifespan. Cleaning helps improve cooling by removing dust and debris from fans, heat sinks, and vents, preventing overheating and ensuring efficient airflow. It enhances performance, reduces the risk of hardware failure, and ensures quieter operation as fans running smoothly. At PTT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.